Yeah, go ahead.
These Torah, where in chapter 9, halacha 3 and 4, how to how where it says, like, I'm gonna give an example, like it says where Elijah was able to like change an halacha in a way, like he was able to offer sacrifices in Mount Carmel, but then the Torah says that we're not allowed to offer sacrifices outside of Yerushalayim.
Yes.
So it says that if the prophets were to command something like outside of halacha, I hope you understand the question.
Yes, it's a classic question.
Halacha, we should listen to him. We should listen to him, even except if it's worshiping a false god. So I would like if you can expand on that.
Yes. That's the believe it or not, that's these Christians who comments on. I mean, sometimes I just tell them, look, you came to the channel of truth. You want to hear truth? Just learn. I don't need your comments. Like people get like excited when they have something to say that I want to listen. I do not care about what you say. I have MS. I have truth. You want to listen? Listen. You don't listen. I don't care what you say. So a few times they actually give this. I'm not sure like why would they try to spin. They actually go against Eliyahu, not only against me, but against Eliyahu. That's a good team. Right, so it says about the prophets. So first of all, it must be established prophets. So what is it, established prophets? In Hilchos Yesodei Torah, the Rabbi actually gives the rules how to establish prophets. So he has to prophesy, right? Prophesy, and it has to be exactly. He has to give all of the details, and this prophecy must come true, like in all of the details. Whatever he said, it should not be it should be unusual. It's not like I think next week it's going to rain. Okay, stop it. It's fall. It's rain three times a week, right? They know where we live. It's not perfect, but something very unusual that I don't know whatever is going to happen, and it happened on this day, this hour, and exactly all of the details. So and when people see that he's true prophet of HaShem. So he's been established as a true prophet, and they obligated to listen to him. And we have actually in the Kings 2, Kings 1, a story. Maybe it was Malachi. I think maybe it was Malachi with this. Is a story with Malachi and Ahav, King Ahav from Northern Kingdom, and this Malachi. Maybe I'm wrong with his name, but there were two prophets at the same time. So he was trying to like prepare to rebuke the king, right? And he had to play a role of this soldier that was wounded in the battle. So he would play out the parable for the king, right? And he came to one person and said, in the name of Hashem, please hit me. Right, and of course, everybody knows the halachah is you're not allowed to raise a hand at a Jew. Right, forget about hitting him, forget about hit the prophet of Hashem. Right, that's a huge offense. But this prophet said, you must hit me, and this guy said, I'm not going to hit you. And this prophet got very upset and said, when you're going to go out from here, from this place, the lion is going to attack you. You out basically, and that's what happened. So he went out. Okay, the conversation is finished, and lion attacked him and died. So the other guy saw it, and the prophet said, "You come here." The second guy came and he said, "Please hit me in the name of Hashem," and he hit him twice. Just broke his face exactly, even maybe more than he was asked. Why? Because the prophet said. So when somebody is established prophet, we must obey him whatever he says. You understand? And even if he says something, it was so he hit him is minor thing, right? But of course, what you said, it's not minor thing. It says you're not allowed. So HaShem, it says a few times in the Torah, you're not allowed to sacrifice on the high places. You're not allowed to sacrifice anywhere, but in Yerushalayim on the holy mountain, where in a place where I choose, right? That's what the wording from the Torah. And now this Eliyahu, who was established prophet, said no, as a one-time test, we're going to do sacrifices there. So it was the condition is for us to listen to the prophets when he goes against established halachah. It's temporary because of some temporary need. And if he said Shabbos is canceled, it's going to be on Sunday, so we kill him, right? So he's false prophet, meaning that he changes the Torah. But this one-time exception, it's not changing the Torah. He said only one time we're going to bring sacrifices outside of the temple, right? So that's why, and plus established prophet, we must listen to him. And the tests, it's as I was you say, up to here. So you test him. He was established as a true prophet. That's it. You're not allowed to test him as this guy. He said, I'm not going to hit you. Okay, guess what? You're out. You went against HaShem. HaShem said to hit me, and I told you, and you did not, so it's your fault. Okay. So that's that. So it's very, some people go crazy about it. How is it possible? Okay, right. So we just explained how it was possible.